Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, my name is Zaki Zidazia Rahman. You can call me Zaki. Now I want to review my game Brick Breaker in Scratch. First, I will uh, bahas the pedal. Eh, maybe but I will I will want to stage. First, the code is when I receive you win. It's like uh in here uh have a broadcast, and the broadcast is like kasih sinyal, and then we can nangkap sinyal like this. I will when I retrieve you win. What is it situation? The situation is when I'm the ball is touching the wind like that, and then in here I will when I retrieve you win switch backdrop to blue sky is to switch backdrop like the name to switch backdrop. Ah, I have blue sky itu is a backdrop you win, and then start crowd cheering is for start sound or start music or whatever. The 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 sound is like that, like this, like this, and then is same, but the difference is this code is same with this. The difference is you lose and you win, and then is switch back up to words when like this you lose, and then start sound lost sound effect like that, like this. uh, uh, and then I will when I quickly click switch backdrop to next city is for making the first tampilan is the first time the first when you look when you just quickly click it will it will it will like making a game switch backdrop book not to woods or to blue sky to playing the play backdrops, and then I will explain the pedal, review the pedal code. First, I will when I adding when green we click is for uh what is it uh like making code. The code the use is for when green we click is mm, for memulai satu kode, memulai some things we added, and then I just show I is for making the pedal is can see it, and then I go to x0 y min 137 is for making like in middle of it, middle this the position is in the middle first when we start the game, then forever to making the code in forever is making like not just once use, is like forever like selamanya, and then I set x to most x is to making the motion left or right is this tergantung with the mouse x or my or my mouse or my cursor. And then if touching ball, then is making the use is making the code in the if touching ball, then like this can have code, and we have else too is making in here when touching ball, then I will switch custom to pedal to like this. Nah, kan I have a pedal ya kan. The pedal is like have a spring, and then when I touch the ball, is will like the spring is well bouncing the ball, and then like that gitu. And here else is for like switch custom to pedal when you else is like slide if not touching the ball it will switch custom to pedal, the normal pedal like that. And then when I reach you lose height because it's used for making this pedal is height when I when you lose or you win. It's same, but the difference is you lose and you win, just like that. And then I will review the ball. The ball is uh, the main code. Uh, First, when we click to start game and start code, show to can see the sprite or the ball. Go to X null A null to make the ball is in middle of it like like this, and then point in direction pick random min 19 to 90 is to make the point in direction is like the motion what's your mm, like menghadap, and then pick random like menghadap, and then forever change color effect by 25 is like effect it's make the ball is like rainbow, look it rainbow kan. And then move 7 step is kan I have the point in direction, and that is just for point of direction it's like arah, and then the motion is on just when I just point in direction is just muter-muter, and then I have move 7 steps is make the ball move 7 step is make the ball move with pick random, and then if on edge bounce is make when the ball is on edge it's like that, just like the cursor is on edge and is make the ball is bounce like that. In and then I if touching pedal then set size to 115%, 50% is make the ball is more bigger. I just want to edit because it's like good in my opinion, and then I will start sound boing like this, the sound is like this. Uh, and then point in direction pick random mean 45 to 90 is make like before pick random the direction, and then I'll set size to 100% is make like a normal ball, and then when I retrieve bounce point in direction, pick random, mean 5, 45 to 90 is make like kan I have the broadcast ya. When the ball is like when the ball touch the block like this, broadcast bounce. It will make the ball bounce point direction. Pick random to mean 50 mean 50 45 to 90 is make the direction of ball is random, and then I will place on wow like that, like before when like, and then when I reach point in direction, pick random to 0 to 13 eh 360 360 is like for the win. This is like same like this but without the sound, and then I have the win like this, and the key is make if touching ball, then oh, for the key wait, it's like for the locket, it's make when I touch the lock it will bounce to random, and then I have when I reach if you win height, it's like before when I reach if you win or lost, like the two of it is make this the ball is high, and then I will review the win spread. First, when Griffey click is make to start the game or start the court, and then show is for making the spread is show it, and then size to 100% is make the spread is 100% not berubah, and then set no it's exactly as wrong wait sorry it actually is wrong code. I forgot to remove it, but is it but isn't is just like uh not anything else can it do it, because it's like not non-news, and then I just forever for make the in the forever code is bekerja not just once, and then if touching ball then is make the in if making when I touch ball is will like the god uh in broadcast you will broadcast you win or you win, like when I touch the win, when ball touch the win sprite it will broadcast or pass win, and then I wait I just want to wait I just want to make it tidy, sorry ya. Ah, and then I will review the locket. First, when we click to start the game or the code, and then show to make the spread show, and then set size to 100, is make the size is normal. Then go to X mean 120 124, yay, sub, 100, 101 is make the position is always like here, and then I will choose forever for making the code inside uh the use is not just once, and then if touching ball, then when is used for when you touching ball, when the ball is touching the locket, it will broadcast point. The broadcast point is like in the ball like this, this, and then wait, and then when I retrieve hive key is when you just uh ball touch the key, and then it will like open the change cost effect by 25 to make his is like ghost, and then like slowly menghilang, transparent or hide, and then white white 1.3 seconds to make the effect is just show it the effect for 1.3 seconds and then hide. Then I will review the key spine. First, when quickly show variable touching ball, the make variable is show, and then set touching ball to 0 to make the first touching ball is not just 6 or 7 or 10 or whatever, is will 0, and then set size to 100% to make the size is normal, not little or bigger, and then go to x to 210, and then y 147 to make the position is just in here and not moving around, and then forever if touching the ball, then start sound retrieve is make the when I touch the ball the code is start sound coin retrieve, like the sound is like this, uh, like that, and then broadcast have a key. It's make is the locket is like open, and then it's you exactly the it's not locket. It just if you want to open it, you should touch the locket until 100, like touching ball in this is 100, and then chance cost effect is more like before, is make his like cost like boom like transparent, and then wait not 0.3 seconds to make the effect is show, and then hide, making the spread is hide, and then when I retrieve you lose hide variable touching ball, the variable will hide, and then hide spread. When I retrieve you win hide variable touching ball, and then hide is same, is just you lose and you win, and then I will review the locket, this locket key is like similar with the block this, but it's different. It's like first I will to review it when quickly click show to make the spread is show, and then set size to 100% to make the spread is 100%, not bigger or little, and then set touching ball to 0 like before. Go to x1 182, y 130. For the position is not just moving around, it's just in here. And then forever, if touching ball, then change touching ball by 1 is make when I touch the locket, it will, or this, or the ball is touching the locket, it will making uh is making the touching ball is plus or add 1 by 1. And then broadcast bond like before, the ball is well bounce. If touching balls sama dengan 100, then if the touching ball is until 100, is make the change, it will make the like effect, you hide it and then like gone like that. And then the block, I will show you the block. The block spread is more, it just like exactly is just not so important. The blocks it just for making not just key and win is like so empty. The block is when you click is to make the code start, and then show to see the block, and then set size to 100% to make the size 100%, not 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 different size. And set it's wait uh, this is not uh, dibutuhkan. And then go to x min 81, go to x min 81 to make the block is not moving around. And then forever to make the code is not just the use is just once. And then if touching the ball, when touched ball is will broadcast balls to make the ball is bounce. And then repeat 10, change cause effect by 10, and change size by -4 to make like cone effect. And then uh, it's not perlu no, just like that. And then height will is with height like that. When I reach you lose, when I reach you win is like before. To make the spread when you lose or you win is hide it. The exactly the block is so much, is so many. It's same, it just duplicate like this. It's same. And then I will show the red line or the transparent line when you just play. It's like when I retrieve you lose, it's like before. When you click, it show, but forever change cause effect by 19 is make the sprite is transparent. If touching ball, then broadcast you lose. When I just make the ball go to this sprite, it will lose. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.